This is our 1984 GMC K3500. So you got, well, it's got a flatbed on it, but you got your locking hubs in the front, and
Tree got you.
this was originally a telephone company truck, so that's why it has a winch that will rip the truck in half if you tried.
The biggest winch known to man.
That's originally why you can see it's yellow everywhere. So it's got the big 454, you know, and at least that tow mirror on that side. The other driver's side is forward towing here, so those are custom. Well, at least that one is.
The door is off of 77, I think, but as you can see, it's factory.
We bought this for probably a ramp truck or a flatbed or a different flatbed conversion, probably lengthen the frame stuff, because this is rusted out in most plots. The old lifting tailgate it's questionable.
Power tailgate that doesn't quite power anymore.
It also has our some of our shelf, because we need
some scrap shelving we'll get rid of this summer.
Because you always have shelving.
You always need more shelving.
What else? I don't know. It's a pretty nice truck, but it's got some.
That's Gorilla Tape fixes everything.
It needs like everything, like the body and the bed. And it's like mechanically, it's pretty decent.
So
we shorted out the electrical system when we were bringing it home.
We had to, we blew some things up. Anyway, the engine is a good 454 big block. Mileage is in the 120s, 130s. The transfer case has been rebuilt. It's got the good transfer case with the gears and P08, if I'm trying to remember.
Yeah.
And the transmission is the 435 manual with the granny gear. So
and it Grandpa put a clutch in there.
And it's got a new clutch. So it has all mechanically, it's very nice. Everything was rebuilt or gone through. The body is rough, but Minnesota is rust, if we recall. The grill is a special deer deflection feature. So, sand cranes are coming after us.
Yeah, it's got a very, very structurally sound front hitch, we'll call it.
Yep.
So, our 1984, maybe 83, don't quite know exactly. But we'll call it an 84 GMC K3500.